Well, I'm a little bit tired because we just had the most wonderful workshop last week. We had about 39 women from all over North America, and we talked about hooking painterly in real life. It was so different than what we would do on online. And I just want to tell you that if you want to come to next year's workshop, then you need to register very soon because it's over half full already. We're doing field rugs, and I've got it online now, and you can click on the link below to join me. But I've already started planning it. I have a full page of notes for how, because what I really discovered this year is that, well, not really this year, I suppose, but what I really loved this year were I tried to make the activities so that they brought people closer to the idea and to understand the idea. And I had so much fun doing that I've already started planning for next year. So next year is hooking field rugs, and I'm talking big ones, baby. If you want to make a big field rug, come see me. If you want to make a small one, I'll go along with that too. But big ones next year. Field rugs, October 2019.